In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform a manual print width adjustment. Your media must be loaded and the printer power on. Press pause for 2 seconds to enter advanced mode. All indicators will flash yellow. The status indicator will show solid yellow, indicating the currently selected mode is manual media calibration. Press feed once so that the pause indicator is illuminated. The printer is now in manual width adjustment mode. Press pause once to start the adjustment. The printer will print a 16mm box and pause momentarily. The printer will then print a slightly larger box and again pause. When you see the printer print a box that matches the width of your media, press feed to set the print width.